Hey there, I'm John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy, and I want to answer a question of what is an annuity fund? So an annuity fund is really just the money that is a part of your annuity contract that is the investment amount. So you purchase an annuity, there's three different types of annuities. You got a fixed annuity, you got a variable annuity, and you've got an indexed annuity. Okay, and all those, the annuity fund is different. So for the first one, if you're putting money into a fixed annuity, let's say it's a MYGA, and you're looking for a fixed rate of return, maybe it's 4, 5, 6%. Maybe you have the term set up for 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe even 10 years. The guaranteed rate of return during that time, of course, will be different depending on the term that you purchase. And so usually with that money, it's just put into the general balance or the general fund of the insurance company, and they're investing in things like, high-grade corporate bonds, government bonds, things like that. So they're very conservative, very low risk, and that's how they're able to offer you a guaranteed rate of return for that amount of time. So for a variable annuity, of course, it's really different. I mean, as far as the fund, you can choose lots of different funds, really, it just tied straight to the stock market. So it just depends on what they have available. A lot of times they're mutual funds, they're called sub-accounts, where you're able to invest directly into the market. Now, these type of annuities can give you some guarantees as far as guaranteed income, and maybe even a guaranteed minimum rate of return, but a lot of times you are going to lose a lot of money if the market takes a dive. Now, they still will give you some sort of guaranteed income if that's a feature of that particular variable annuity, but usually the guarantees are far less than what you would get with other types of annuities. So that annuity fund is just really just dependent on what you decide. And so whenever you invest that money, you're going to ride the roller coaster of the stock market. So for the third type of annuity, the indexed annuity, these are really just tied to benchmark indexes of the stock market. So S&P 500, NASDAQ, and a lot of times they have other fund groups, they have that are maybe giving more returns. Maybe there's higher participation rates, maybe like the Fidelity multi-factor, Barclays. There's even like an AI type of index. They have lots of different type of indexes that will give you different, different kinds of returns based off of if there's a cap, maybe there's no cap, and maybe there's a very high participation rate. There's just a lot that you can do with an index annuity as far as getting growth that you can't do with a variable, because a variable, yes, will get you a lot of growth, but at the same time, you're also subject to market fluctuations. Whereas with an index annuity, if the index goes down, the market drops or crashes, at least you know that your principal balance is protected. And of course, any prior earnings is also protected from any loss. So that's pretty nice to know. With a fixed annuity, just with a fixed rate of return, 4, 5, 6%, whatever it is, that is fixed for the life of the contract. So it does not matter if the market is down, the market is up, you get that fixed rate of return no matter what. And so that is very, very simple. I would say a simple explanation of an annuity fund, because you're just really you're in the insurance company's main account. So that's how that works. So if you're thinking about purchasing an annuity and you're wondering, well, which fund should I invest in? What would be best for my goals? Well, you just have to ask yourself, do you want to be in risk or do you want to be out of risk? Do you want guaranteed income? Or do you not care about guaranteed income? You just want growth. Do you want all of your money protected from risk, or are you willing to take on some risk, like the variable annuities give you? I'm the Guaranteed Retirement Guy, and so my specialty is in guarantees. And so usually I'm looking at index annuities and fixed annuities. So if you're looking for growth or if you're looking for guaranteed income, that's what I specialize in. That's what I help people with. And we look at all the companies. Doesn't matter to me really what you pick, but it does matter to me that you are able to see everything that is available. So if that's something that you need help with, book a call. You'll notice there is a link below this video, goes right into my calendar, and we can chat about your unique annuity needs, your situation, what you're looking for, and then I'll give you some helpful advice. I'll show you what's available, and then you can at least have the information you need to make an informed decision. So anyways, I hope this video was helpful, and look forward to seeing you next time.